We live in an age of wonders. Supercomputers in our pockets, robots on distant worlds. But what if a piece of our future was found in our distant past? Imagine discovering a machine as complex as a clock from the time of ancient Rome in a shipwreck. This is the story of the Antikythera Mechanism, an object that should not exist. Its discovery challenges everything we thought we knew about ancient technology. The mechanism is a message from a forgotten chapter of human brilliance. Scientists and historians spent decades unlocking its secrets, inventing new ways to peer inside its corroded bronze. What they found was a universe of gears, a clockwork cosmos that defied explanation. This artifact rewrote our timeline of technology, revealing genius in the ancient world. The Antikythera Mechanism is more than a gadget. It's a testament to the timeless human drive to understand our place in the cosmos. It shows that ancient minds were not just philosophers, but also scientists and engineers. The mechanism is a tangible piece of that quest, a message in a bottle sent across time. It invites us to rediscover a lost golden age of innovation. Our story begins in 1900 off the coast of Antikythera, Greece. Sponge divers sheltering from a storm stumbled upon the wreckage of an ancient Roman ship. Among the treasures, bronze statues, glassware, pottery, was a lumpy, corroded piece of bronze dismissed as debris. It sat forgotten in the National Archaeological Museum in Athens, overshadowed by grander finds. In 1902, the lump split open, revealing interlocking gears inside. Archaeologist Valerios Staeus suggested it was an astronomical clock, but experts scoffed. Such complexity was thought impossible for the ancient world. The object was labeled a mystery and ignored for decades. It waited in silence, its secrets locked away until technology caught up. The world wasn't ready for the Antikythera Mechanism, yet its true significance would only be revealed by those willing to look deeper. This forgotten artifact would soon change history. The journey to unlock its secrets was just beginning. The greatest treasure was not gold, but knowledge. Decades passed and the world changed, but the mechanism remained a silent enigma. British historian Derek de Solla Price became obsessed with it in the 1950s. He saw the ghost of a lost technology and dedicated years to studying the fragments. Using early X-rays, Price confirmed the presence of complex gears, technology thought to be lost for centuries. In 1974, he proposed it was a calendrical computer calculating the motions of the sun and moon. But the technology of his time could only reveal so much. The mechanism's true nature remained hidden, locked inside corroded bronze. To solve the puzzle, science needed a new way to see without destroying the artifact. The answer would come from medical imaging and high-energy physics. CT scanning, used to peer inside the human body, would soon be turned on this ancient relic. The ghost in the machine was about to reveal its secrets. A new generation of scientists would take up the challenge. The world was on the brink of a technological revelation. The Antikythera Mechanism was ready to speak. Its story was far from over. In the 21st century, the Antikythera Mechanism Research Project brought modern science to the ancient device. Using a custom-built CT scanner, they created detailed 3D images of the mechanism's interior. For the first time, every gear, pin, and slot was visible, a digital resurrection of the ancient machine. The scans also revealed thousands of Greek characters hidden beneath corrosion. These inscriptions, read with advanced imaging, served as a user's manual. They described the cosmos, the functions of the dials, and the known planets. With this data, researchers reconstructed the full genius of the device. At least 37 interlocking gears, including differential gears, calculated the moon's complex orbit. The mechanism's sophistication stunned modern engineers. It was a masterpiece of ancient engineering, unmatched for over 1,000 years. The layers of time had finally been peeled back. What did this machine do? It was the world's first known analog computer. A portable model of the cosmos, operated by a hand crank. Its gears moved pointers to show the positions of the sun, moon, and planets for any date. The front dial displayed the Greek zodiac and Egyptian calendar, months. Pointers tracked the sun's and moon's positions, even accounting for the moon's irregular orbit. The back featured spiral dials, the Metonic dial, a 19-year calendar, and the Saros dial predicting eclipses. It could forecast solar and lunar eclipses over an 18-year cycle, even indicating their character. This was a scientific instrument, not an astrologer's toy. Inscriptions made its purpose clear: to calculate and predict, not to divine. It even tracked the timing of the Olympic Games, linking celestial cycles to human events. The mechanism embodied a worldview where the universe was a great understandable machine. To own it was to hold the key to the cosmos. It was a philosophical statement in bronze, a testament to reason. The Antikythera Mechanism made the abstract math of the heavens tangible. It was the cosmos in a box. The Antikythera Mechanism raises a profound question. Where are the others? Such a masterpiece must have predecessors and successors, a lost tradition of ancient high technology. Clues exist in ancient texts. Cicero described similar machines built by Archimedes. These devices modeled celestial motions and predicted eclipses, just like the Antikythera Mechanism. Historians once dismissed these accounts as exaggeration, but the mechanism proves otherwise. It may have been built in Rhodes, a center of astronomy and engineering. So why have we found only one? Bronze was precious. Old machines were melted down and recycled. The Antikythera Mechanism survived only by chance. A shipwreck preserved it for us. We may have lost an entire history of ancient technology to the melting pot. This single artifact is a rare survivor of a vanished age. The Antikythera Mechanism is more than an artifact. It's a lesson in humility. It shatters the illusion of linear progress, revealing lost peaks of ancient genius. The fire that destroyed the Library of Alexandria may have erased blueprints for machines like this. Ancient minds, without modern tools, built a machine that modeled the universe. They encoded the cosmos in gears, a testament to the power of human intellect. The story of the mechanism is our story, a relentless quest to understand our place in the universe. 2,000 years ago, someone looked up at the same stars, asking the same questions. They built a computer to hold the heavens in their hands. Their legacy was lost, but now it's found. The Antikythera Mechanism reminds us that the quest for knowledge is humanity's greatest adventure. Our journey among the stars continues, guided by echoes from the past.